Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, teacher. Good evening, friends. Good evening, friends. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Rahul. My name is Rahul. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Delhi. I'm from Delhi. How have you been? How have you been? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. This is my friend Aisha. This is my friend Aisha. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my home. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. May I introduce myself? May I introduce myself? Yes, please go ahead. Yes, please go ahead. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. This is my colleague Rohan. This is my colleague Rohan. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. How is your day going? How is your day going? It's going great, thank you. It's going great, thank you. See you later. See you later. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. I hope we meet again soon. I hope we meet again soon. Let me introduce my brother. Let me introduce my brother. I'm new here. I'm new here. I'm new here. Welcome abroad. Welcome abroad. It's a pleasure meeting you. It's a pleasure meeting you. Can we be friends? Can we be friends? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to working with you. Glad you could come. Glad you could come. Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Thank you for the warm welcome. Thank you for the warm welcome.